I, Helen Vishram, is feeling proud to introduce HOD in Science and Technology, JK University, Ahmedabad. And AI Research Scientist, Batman Technologies Limited, Central Gujarat.
Hello friends, I am Dhruv Kuvrani.
And I am Jaimin.
Today we are going to discuss on the topic technology and going to shake your heart with some really gripping information on technology in just 10 minutes. Let's take a brief overview of what we are going to learn about in this healthy discussion. Today, each individual who is listening to us rigorously is going to get an idea about what technology is, how we use technology in different ways for distinct purposes, how technology affects life, what pros and cons of technology that we have today are, what future of technology can be, and much more.
To get knowledge about any topic, first it's important to know what that means. Here, a topic is technology, hence, let's define it in simple words. Technology is the sum of techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment of objectives such as scientific investigation.
IDEST technology equals techniques plus skills plus methods plus processes. Now let's see how we use technology differently for different purposes. How technology affects and has changed our lives.
Technology has become a basis of our lifestyle. Without technology, we cannot imagine to live even a day. Technology involves everything we use in our day-to-day life, starting from a simple bulb for light to a complicated structure of washing machine, refrigerator for use. While we are seeing technological implications all around us, in our house, in our society, in our school, in our city, state, country to worldwide use of technology. What changes it brought to our lifestyle is fascinating. The simplest form of technology is the development and use of basic tools. The prehistoric discovery of how to control fire and the later Neolithic revolution increased the available sources of food, and the invention of wheel helped the humans travel in and control the environment. Developments in historic times, including the printing press, the telephone, and the internet, have lessened physical barriers to communication and allowed humans to interact freely on global scale.
Hey, you snatched away my words, Jermaine. Never mind. I have some really stimulating facts with me about technology here. Let me share them with you at this platform. Do you know? Over 3.8 billion people use internet today, which is 40% of the world's population. 8 billion devices will be connected to the internet by 2020, which is this year. More than 570 new websites are created every minute. There are over 3.5 billion searches per day on Google. Every minute, 24 hours, which is equal to a day of video, is uploaded to YouTube. Two big numbers.
Hey dear, take a stop. If we are going to list them all, then we will not able to discuss anything else. Let me take this discussion to the most captivating ideas for technology.
Oh, I'm so excited. You must tell us what you are going to share with us.
Okay, then let's take look at some most helpful phases of technology. where technology really boosted our way of living and made our life comfortable, easy, smart. First, technology gives us access to more information. The internet might be the most significant social village that humanity has created in history. It is an informational resource that allows us to experience different perspectives, ideas, and cultures from all over the world. You can receive real-time updates of news, stories, play games, or chat with someone who is on other side of the planet. It is a straightforward experience that lets us access a wealth of knowledge. Thanks to technology, you can access this information in the comfort of your home. Second, you can save time by using technology. If we are old enough to remember a time before the smartphones and GPS, there was one primary way to navigate through a new city: paper maps. Thanks to the development of technology, you can take a trip anywhere and know exactly where to go with line by line directions. Third, technology gives us more mobility options. Can you imagine what life was like when the best technology to help with your travel experience was a good pair of shoes? Forgot about bicycles and cars when thinking about mobility and technology. In less than a single day, you can hop onto an aeroplane and travel to almost any point in the world. You can travel thousands of miles across the ocean with a high safety level to visit your favorite countries. One must consider the reality of modern technology is that we can travel further and faster than even before in the human history right now. Fourth, we can communicate more efficiently because of technology. As the industrial revolution progressed around the world, there was a need to develop better communication resources so that companies, families, and governments could communicate with one another all over the world. This led to the invention of the telegraph, which led to the landline telephone, to the cell phone, the satellite phone, and now our database connections over fiber optics too. In less than a century, we have gone from letters being the most common means of communication to email and instant messaging. Social media lets us share digital images in seconds. Videos are shareable now too. These benefits are all happen because of the ways that we have embraced technology over the years. Fifth, technology lets us manage our money better. Can you imagine paying in electronic currencies 20 years ago? What about the formation of cryptocurrency? The world is slowly becoming a cashless society thanks to what technology can bring to the table. But let's not forget that paper money was once cutting edge tech too. Instead of waiting at the bank to pay a bill or sending a check in the mail, you can just hop online to a specific website and send money instantly. We are spending a lot of less time waiting in lines thanks to this one unique advantage of technology. Sixth, we have developed a better learning methods because of the technology. Nowadays, because of this pandemic situation in the world, most people are facing problems, and especially students, because they don't know how to communicate and study at home without teacher. But thanks to the technology, from which we can make apps using technology that can help student and teacher to communicate both at their homes. Software, gadgets, and even pencils are all technology options that make it easier to learn new skills. It is possible to integrate numerous tools into the modern classroom to facilitate the learning process. Even a calculator is a tool that wasn't available not that long ago. We have more information available to us with what we consider to be simple tech items than previous generations got to experience during the most of their lives. Then there is an element of fun that technology provides us. When learning can be turned into a video game or in an interactive presentation, then we retain more of the information provided to us in that moment. Listening to a teacher talk about a specific subject can create a retention level of 5% to 10%. Interactive options increase our retention to almost 90%.
Yeah, you are somewhat right. It's technology due to which we are able to discuss here sitting at our places. Technology allowed students of AVMA to learn sitting at home during this lockdown. But Jamin, you are totally in favor of technology. Don't you recognize the misfortunes it brought to us? Let me tell you how technology degraded the living pattern. Number 1. Technology creates dependencies. The evolution of technology in our world today has created a dependency on our devices, tools, and processes. There is no longer a need to think or recall information because everything is immediately available to us in a giant database. Even a small tool like a calculator reduces the need to perform mental calculations or know how to do mathematics because you can solve equations by punching them into the device. Number 2. Technology reduces the human effort. You would have probably heard people saying the phrase, "We need to work smarter, not harder." Most technological discoveries and inventions work to reduce the amount of effort that we need to make for getting a result. The implication here is simple. Machines can do the heavy lifting for us. When there is less work for people to do, it means humanity is slowly making itself obsolete. Automated processes by machines make jobs redundant. Number 3. There are data security concerns to manage. As our access to technology grows, so does our willingness to incorporate these tools into the aspects of daily life. Vast amounts of data are collected from all of us every day. From the cookies that get logged onto our devices when visited a website to our credit card information when making a purchase. Much of our private lives are stored somewhere on a HDD, SSD or server. If there is a single breach of this data, then anyone can find out our details like where we live, where we work, and who our closest relatives are too. What the scariest fact is? It's that this information is accessible online without a data breach as well. It might be creepy, but it is not illegal for a site like True People Search to give up information from public records. If someone is looking for you, you can contact these services to remove your information, but most of them just keep springing up. Number 4. Technology creates a social disconnect. People are socializing with each other through digital means instead of taking face-to-face opportunities. Even though there is a certain satisfaction that comes from these interactions, digital-only relationships can also create intense feelings of isolation, loneliness, and disconnect. Taking away the ability to be physically social can be problematic for an individual's mental health too. Number 5. Technology can be addictive. Technology can give you a rush that is similar to what drugs or alcohol can provide when you take them for the first time. Video games, streaming movies, television shows, and many more information elements that we can access today can cause people to make decisions to embrace their tools at the detriment of their lives.
So, Dhruv, do you really mean that technology is our enemy in disguise of a friend?
No, not really. Instead, we humans are ourselves becoming enemies of humanity. What we are blaming technology for is not correct. Technology on its own is not good or evil. It is the choices that we make with these processes that can make help or harm to others. It is easy to blame the tool because it can be personally challenging to look at the actions of a fellow human being. Their choices could easily become our decisions one day if a similar set of circumstances were to occur. We have become used to smartphones and computers becoming our go to resources for almost everything. Technology lets us go almost everywhere and do almost anything. When we look at the pros and cons of technology, it is essential to look at how these tools are shaping our lives today. Do you see conversations happening in restaurants? Or is anyone staring into their mobile devices as a way to pass the time before their meal arrives? We must be disciplined with technology. Our personal perspectives will help to shape the next generation and how they evolve tech to fit their world. With this, I think we covered everything we were supposed to discuss. Am I right, Jamin?
No, dear. How can you forget your favorite subject, artificial intelligence? AI is the future of technology, and I must say, you know better about it than me. So, it can be a great discussion if we end it with a tag to be experienced in future.
Yeah, of course. And you know, I will love to explain it. So let me continue and unfold what we know about AI in brief.
Okay, please apprise us about that.
Yeah, let's take a glimpse of what is seen as future of this ever evolving and ever growing technology. Future of technology is AI. Artificial intelligence is impacting the future of virtually every industry and every human being. AI has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and Internet of Things (IoT), and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. Hence, with a tag to be experienced in the future, as you suggested, Jamin, I would like to end this discussion saying technology is itself innovative and fascinating. Even without being described, its results deliver to us everything. Just the thing to remember is technology is due to us. We are not due to technology.
Stay home,
Stay safe.
stay updated,
Thank you for
listening us.
optimistically.
It was great talking with you, Master Greg Sundarani and Jamin Kapadia. Thank you for being with us.